Welcome to the Evan Show,
starring Evan P. and Evan F.
I am Evan Price, and today we are going to be talking about median, mode, range, and mean, and 3 different graphs.
And notice we are very smart kids.
Yeah, and stay tuned for later fun stuff.
We
Will
be teaching stuff.
off and on.
Okay, it's time for median, mode, and range.
And there's a nice little song to go with it. Hey diddle diddle, the median's the middle, you add and divide for the mean. The mode is the one that appears in mode, and the range is the difference between.
What? Okay, I will talk about the range. You get the range by adding the greatest number to the least number. So let's say there's a basketball team. And the separate scores for each person is 6, 8, 16, 8, 28, and 6, 8. Okay, so the biggest number is 28 and the least number is 6. 28 minus 6 is 2.
No 22.
No 10.
No 22.
No 15.
No 22.
No 22.
No 20. Wait, it is 22.
See, that's what I wrote. I'm the smart one.
Okay. Now I'm going to be talking about mode. Mode is a number that appears the most. So today you are talking about the same basketball team. What is a mode? It should be 8 since 8 is shown the most. Now I am going to be talking about mean.
No.
This is how-
Whoa, no. I'm talking about me. I'm the guy. You're not the guy. I'm the guy. So I'm going to be talking about me. The mean basically is the average. And if you don't know that by 6th grade, then he says you're dumb.
Just tell them already.
So basically you add up everything, and then every number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 numbers, so it's the total divided by 7. You should get 11.428.
And just forget about all the other around decimals. You're annoying. Okay, now I'm talking about median. It sounds like middle, doesn't it? Conveniently, it is the middle. And guess what?
What?
It's the basketball team again.
No! But that's so boring, and it's taking too long.
You're taking too long. So, again, the data set is 6, 8, 28, 16, 8, 6, 8. Okay, arrange them so that they are in greatest to least form or least to greatest, whatever it is. Okay, so it should now be 6, 6, 8, 8, 8, 16, 28. So, what you do is you put your fingers at both ends, or you could just cross them off as you go. Go by 6, go by 28, go by 6, go by 16, go by 8, go by 8, and now the middle number is 8.
What if there are 2 middle numbers?
Then you add them together and divide by 2.
What if your fingers are dirty?
Then wash your hands.
What if the sink is broke?
Then use the leg.
What if the leg is broke?
And you can't figure it out. Now we are going to be talking about 3 different graphs.
I will talk about histograms. This is how you do it. So, first you have to draw the graph. So, here's the wire, the extra line, and
These are
2
axes.
lines. And
What about the data?
what?
What about the data?
The data?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so you label it so the Y has the number of occurrences. Fine. Look around. And the X line is the data range.
Let's go ahead and put ours up. Hey, got it. Let's go ahead and put our computers up for now.
that's how you do the or the histogram.
Fine, but mine's better. Mine is a pie chart.
No, it's not better.
Yes, it is. Okay. See, I told you you're tricky. You're taking too long. Okay, and guess what? It's the basketball players again.
No.
So, the team scores 50 points in one game. Half of the points were scored by Evan P.
How many did I score?
You scored, let's see. You scored a fifth of the points. Joe scored 10%. And like I said earlier, Evan F scored only 1/5. And Bob scored 10%. No, 20%. Yeah. Okay, so Bob says go to you. Okay.
But it's a circle.
Oh yeah. So what you do is you draw yourself a big fat circle. Okay. Then since Evan P scored half the points, you put 50% for Evan P. And then so me. Okay. Let's just say that this is your middle. So, about this much was scored by Evan F. Then, another bunch of that was scored by Bob. So awesome of a name. So, he scored 20%. And then Joe scored only 10%. So there's your pie back.
I'm gonna get you back on that one.
Get me back on what? It's your turn.
I will do the line plot. So, the line plot graph. So what you do is you have your set of data on the bottom. And then you put an X for every subject, like that. But let's say there's 50 X's. Maybe you should make every X worth 5 and put it in your key.
And then let's make a basketball again.
So, for example, I'm gonna use superheroes and not sweaty basketball.
You're mean.
No.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah, I did it a lot of times.
Yeah. So there are 34 votes total. The scale is 2, so 2. And Batman has 10, so 5 on 2. Superman has 5, so 1, 2 and a half. Spider-Man has 4. 10 for Spider-Man. $4 for Mr. Fantastic. And 5 for Hulk. Okay, it's time for the game show.
Oh, it's taking too long. And because I'm being 20.
It'll be fast. So, the pickaxe has 15 power, the hoe 5, the sword 30, the shovel 40, and the axe 10. And so, I want you to make the three graphs we talked about out of those. And Evan, you will.
You do it too. Okay, here we go.
He is correct.
Okay, so my turn to do a question. Find the median, mode, range, and mean for these numbers. 3, 94, 65, 62, 34, 56, and another 62. Now pause the video to find to work it out. Time's up.
What?
Okay, time for whipped cream toss.
What?
Whipped cream toss. Yeah. Yeah.
Eat my own man powder.
What?
I always run it until it's like